Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce code review time with GitLab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reduce code review time with GitLab, start by creating a clear and concise merge request. This sets the stage for effective collaboration. Ensure your code is well documented and includes clear commit messages. Next, use GitLab's built-in code review tools effectively. Encourage team members to utilize the request review feature. This directly notifies reviewers, saving time compared to manual follow-ups. Establish guidelines on what to include in your merge requests. This helps reviewers focus on the essential parts of your code. Make use of GitLab's discussion threads to address comments or questions. This keeps communication organized and accessible. Prioritize automated testing using GitLab CI/CD. Automated tests can catch errors before they reach the review stage. Set up a pre-merge pipeline to validate code changes automatically. This reduces the back and forth during reviews by ensuring code quality beforehand. Encourage peer reviews in smaller groups or pairs. This often leads to quicker feedback than larger group reviews. Consider breaking down large merge requests into smaller, incremental changes. This makes reviews easier and less time-consuming. Use templates for merge requests to streamline the submission process. Templates can ensure all relevant information is included up front. Leverage labels and milestones to organize and prioritize merge requests. This allows reviewers to focus on the most critical or time-sensitive changes first. Track metrics on code review times to identify bottlenecks. Regularly review these metrics with the team to improve the process. Foster a culture of constructive feedback. Encouraging clarity and kindness will speed up the review process. Regularly discuss the code review process during team meetings to ensure everyone is aligned. Lastly, continuously adapt your process based on team feedback and needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.